Hi, good morning, guys. It's early in the morning on Thursday. So, today I'm planning to do something on Kaggle. This is something that I have not done and would like to do is work on this Kaggle competitions and also explore the datasets that are there in Kaggle. So, I'm going to walk you through when I'm doing this analysis. So, there's this dataset called SL salary, which is not a competition as such, but it's a data set. SF salary, not SL salary. So this is the data set. Explore San Francisco city employee salary data. So you can look at few of the kernels if you want to, but I'll dive into my kernel. I don't know if I've created one. If I'm not, then I need to create a new kernel. So it's going to be script or Jupyter notebook. I'm thinking of running it in Jupyter because yes, it says ideal for fitting a model in competitions. This is ideal for interactive data and polished analysis. This is what I pick. Sign in with your credentials if you have not signed in. Okay. Username or password provided is incorrect. Maybe I had logged into Google. Just logging in. Yes, I had logged into Google. Okay, it threw me back to the home page. Never mind. This is salary. Let's see if the kernel was created. Okay, it was not created. So I'm going to create a new kernel. Kernel is nothing but environment for you to run your notebook. So SF salary exploration. So right now it is private. You can make it public or upload, download, restart running and all that. So okay, I want to explore the data as well. What I'll do is I'll open this Kaggle in another tab. You can read all the small comments. Python 3 environment comes with many and full analytics library pre-installed. It's from this Docker image. So if you know what Docker is, so you can download this from this Docker memo repo, this image, and it has NumPy, pandas, some from subprocess import, check output, ls input. You can run this cell. You can see that the input salaries.csv and the database SQLite is available. Let's see what that means. I need to navigate to salary again. So go to data and see what it says. Okay, the salary CSV, will use CSV. Basically both are the same. If you see, there are salaries and the number of rows. It has a table called salaries, and both of them do the same job. Let's explore the overview. One way to understand how a city government works is by looking at who it employs, how it employs, and compensated. This data contains the name, job title, compensation for San Francisco employees on a basis from 11 to 14. exploration ideas. You can have salaries changed over time between different groups of people, how are base pay over time and benefits allocated between different groups. Is there evidence of pay discrimination based on gender in this data set? How is budget allocated? So this is here's the code that creates this data release, the original source. Sometimes they also give this original source of the data set. And now let's go to data which we have downloaded. We can check, just eyeballing the data to see what it contains. So agency, they have basically put the state name and the year, total pay, benefits, total pay. I'm guessing this total pay benefits is along with all this other pay, overtime, base pay. And this is the employee George Garcia. Job title is Captain Fire Suppression. Base pay is 14056.88. Okay. Let's see the column metadata. I'll have to download it. Anyways, I don't need that because I understood what it is. The column titles are quite descriptive. So the dataset is taken from here apparently. So this is what transparentcalifornia.com. It's okay. You can have the latest dataset, in fact 11 to 16. Salaries.csv. First things first. So let's see the input files. Salaries.csv. So you can, if you have another data source, you can upload them. Okay. What was the red icon? Or remove? Okay. No, we don't want to remove. And is there a button to create a new cell? No, it is shift enter. Okay, there are buttons here, plus or minus. If you want to do a markdown, you can click here. And for code, so I will be writing the code, so it takes some time because my internet is a bit slow. Anyways, now we have imported all the pandas and numpy. We'll import this data set. We'll put it in data frame called df. Let's call it original data frame, and the way to read is pd.read csv. Okay, I'm looking for some shortcuts which shows me the functions, which actually Jupyter does that, but unfortunately it's not doing it here. Let me run this again. Shift tab normally does it. Anyways, press input salaries.csv. File not found error. Does not exist. So we have the salaries, but okay, it is in this folder /input folder. So it is in the privets directory and input directory. Now load it. See, you can see that it's loaded. Let's just check the head. head data frame dot head. Just the tab, just hit the tab, it says what it has. Okay, head 5 columns. There you go. The names, job title, base pay, overtime pay, other benefits is mostly null. Total pay benefits, year, notes, agency, status. Okay, let's check the shape. Original data frame dot shape, it will give us a tuple. So we have around 1,48,654 rows and 13 columns. I'm pretty sure not all of the columns are important. So describe data frame dot describe. This is to see the distribution of the data. So if the data is numerical, it gives us a neat distribution table. So you can see IDs is something which we need not look at. So total pay we can see. You can also, if you like the horizontal view, you can transpose it. Oops, it is just a method and you need to call it. So here you go. Now you know that notes is null because it's a string. We'll go with year, we are not concentrating, ID we are not concentrating, we are concentrating on total pay and the total pay benefits. If you look at total pay, the average pay is around $74,768, which deviates a lot, 50,000, and the minimum is minus 680, which actually doesn't make sense, because how can you have a salary of negative? That means there is something wrong with the data, or there's an outlier somewhere which we need to figure out. So 25 point, okay, 36 is 50% and 50% is here. It is fairly normal distributed, but slightly right skewed. So your graph will be somewhat like this. So if you imagine the axis to be here, the graph will be somewhat like this, bit skewed. It has the right tail, and this is 1,05,000. The maximum is 5 lakhs. Oh, that is pretty huge. That may be affecting your analysis also. We'll have to take care of all those things and any outliers, any nulls, and many other things. So what I'll do now is I'm going to stop today. I'll make this, enabling this allow users to view. Okay, I'll make this public, and okay, this will be the link, I suppose, so that I can give it to you guys. I'm just checking the link. Let's see how it loads. Yes, this is the code. Oh, I shouldn't have removed it, I guess. Nope, that is not the public link. Okay, I'll find the public link and share it in the notes with the video. Let's continue this in the next video. So that's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.